close and personal. So we're just very great, very blessed.
Oh, indeed. We thank you for his service. We love that passion. And coming up in News 4 Sports at 6, the players' take on a day that was, well, not just another preseason day. It was a good day.
All right, we like that, Dave. Thanks. The Redskins take on the Broncos again tomorrow night, right here on NBC4. Now, preseason game number 3, considered the dress rehearsal for the regular season. We'll have live reaction from players and coaches on the Redskins post-game report, followed by News 4 at 11.
Hurricane Lane continues to get closer to the Hawaiian Islands. Right now, we're taking a look at a live picture there. The state of emergency is in place. President Trump has declared a disaster in advance, and the massive and powerful storm is forcing tens of thousands to lock down everything that might break loose. Lines are long at the grocery stores and gas stations, as you can imagine. Streets are blocked because of mudslide concerns. Hurricane Lane continues to bring heavy rains to parts of Hawaii, with flooding issues being the biggest concern.
And they have not seen something like this, as we've been saying,
decades.
for a long time.
For some time. And of course, I think the big question that's kind of gotten out there is this storm going to make landfall or not? What that means is the eye actually passes over some land. So that's making landfall. Regardless, though, it's impacting the island in a big way with very heavy rainfall. That's definitely going to lead to some impressive and very damaging flooding issues. We've already gotten reports of 18 inches of rain in parts of the island, right? And the rain just started there yesterday. Here's the latest satellite and radar imagery of the very powerful Category 4 Hurricane Lane. The latest track has it kind of just skirting along the islands as it continues to head toward the north and west. It is expected to weaken over the next 48 hours, but we're still likely going to see it impacting parts of the islands as at least a Category 2 hurricane. But again, if it does make landfall or not remains to be seen, but that's really not going to impact the amount of rain that's falling. It would just have a bigger impact on the strength of the winds impacting parts of the island. So 10 to 20 inches of rain from Lane, with up to 30 inches possible. Not only that, but 30-foot waves leading to damaging surf. Hurricane force winds are expected in spots of Hawaii there tomorrow. Currently here back at home, we're at 80 degrees with a beautiful wind out of the north at 9 miles an hour, barely a cloud in the sky. And tomorrow to start your day, it's fantastic. 64 degrees at 7 a.m. Have your lunch outdoors. If you didn't today, take advantage tomorrow, 80, and a high tomorrow of 85 degrees. Now, what we can't see out there and what's bothering a lot of folks, Lauren, is the ragweed. The weed is a big issue right now with our pollen report.
Yeah, you're absolutely right, Amelia. Not only is ragweed up there, but also grasses and molds up there as well are beginning to increase. We've had some mold to deal with all summer. Let's go ahead and show you the maps right now. But again, as Amelia was mentioning, the ragweed pollen is picking up since we've gotten the sunshine out here. And usually the last week of August and as we go into September are the two highest for some ragweed pollen concentrations. And generally for grasses, we get it in May, and then again right around now. They continue to climb through September. So you may find yourself reaching for that tissue, that Claritin, if you're out and about over the next couple days, because we do not have rain. And even look at the weekend, 85 on Saturday, 90 by Sunday. Now it's going to feel hot and humid by Sunday, but Saturday, the humidity will still be on the low side. It starts to climb in on Saturday night. But again, you will be hot and humid on Sunday, but still dry. And more importantly, dry at the area beaches. One of the last weekends that we get here in August, of course, before Labor Day weekend, we are looking at temperatures in the 70s and low 80s as you head to the beach this weekend. And again, same deal here. By Sunday, it'll be a little bit more humid on the beaches. And these are mainly for Maryland and Delaware beaches. So hopefully you get a chance to get out there and enjoy it because as we get into next week, summer's not done with us yet, even though as we head into September, it looks like those temperatures are going to be in the 90s, Amelia, and plus we've got the humidity.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're tracking another impressive heat wave next week, even though we're looking to the beginning of September. The temperatures, well, they're trending upward overall. So here's your Storm Team 4 10-day forecast. Mid-80s tomorrow and Saturday, around 90 on Sunday. And as Lauren mentioned, it does start to feel a little bit humid out there on Sunday. By Monday, it is oppressive. 94 feels more like 100 to 105 degrees. Mid-90s again on Tuesday and Wednesday, feeling very hot near 100 with the humidity. And then we do have some storms in the forecast Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.